Yeah, hi. Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetStreet.com, and we have Mr. Hariom Rai from Lava, who is going to answer some of our questions related to Lava phones which are coming in the Indian market. So, hi sir, welcome.
Hi, thank you.
For your time.
Thanks for your time.
So, especially with this, the Lava Iris Pro 30, with this device, which kind of consumers you are actually targeting? And what kind of experiences you are actually planning to give them in terms of the software experience, in terms of the hardware which you are going to provide with this device to the Indian audience?
We did a lot of research and we found that the consumers, it's because this device is part of their personality, and the consumers are looking for, great devices, slim, smart, beautiful, amazingly beautiful devices. And after doing this research, we thought about this series of Iris Pro, and therefore the expression of this series is by the name of Art with Smart. So it's a phone. You'll find phone because to make featherlight phones, to make slim phones, it requires a lot of technology. And we gathered our act together, and we thought that we are going to give great products at such a reasonable price range of 16,000 rupees. I believe it's an amazing phone, and in the market there is no phone at this price point as beautiful as this particular phone.
So, especially talking about the front camera on the device is around 3 megapixel. So, normally when we see any other device which is in the same price segment, we normally see these days 5 megapixel camera or sometimes higher than that as well. So, is there a specific need which was there because of the budget of this device, because this device is launched at this price, that
budget
you have
was not an issue.
compromised to an extent on the front camera?
Budget was not an issue. It is important to make. It was very, very critical for us to make the device very beautiful, and for that we have sort of compromised somewhere in terms of having a large camera, because large camera require a larger footprint, and therefore we have gone in for a smaller camera. However, if you look at the experience which you'll get from a 3 megapixel camera from this phone, it will be better than a 5 megapixel camera of other phones. So therefore that's where we have sort of looked at. And
so especially I have heard about this technology that if you have a front camera and you have it in the wide angle format, it actually covers more area. So on this device, have you actually followed this thing, or you plan to bring up this kind of a technology when it comes to the front camera on future devices from Lava?
No, I think you have to understand the positioning of this device. This device is positioned for people who love to have a product, the most beautiful product in the world, and that was the target given to the engineering teams. And then whatever was possible within a certain price point and within a certain level, by balancing the experience with beauty, that has been done. And as we grow, as we move up and up, you will find a lot of those devices coming in. It's very easy to make all those things what you're doing, but it's very difficult to package it so beautifully. So that's Lava's whole focus was to make put art in smart. That was the target.
So talking about the Lava Iris Pro series, this is going to be the first device which is Iris Pro. So can you give us an idea to an extent about how many devices and what kind of devices we can expect from this series? Whether those devices will fill in the tablet category as well, or can we see a 5-inch phone as well within this series going down the line in future?
The most critical and the most important thing which our engineering team has to deliver is to make great and beautiful products in this series. And if we were going to come up with phablets, it is going to be one of the most amazing phablet in the world, and that is the target. So as long as our engineering team is not able to make the most amazing phablet in the world, Iris Pro series will not have that. So Iris Pro series means it's a great product It's a great looking product, and no one can give a better product than this. That's what is Iris Pro series.
So especially in the Iris Pro series, we plan to have more devices as well.
Sure.
So
It's just the beginning.
So Iris Pro series is more targeted toward the kind of a thing, a value for money device for the people, or is it going to be the premium devices as well, which will come in future? Like, can we expect the series to have some premium devices from Lava?
So it will take premium devices. I believe this is also a premium device. What we are doing is enabling the consumer, who wants to have a premium high-end device. What we have done as a company is to enable the consumer to get that kind of a device at a lower price point. That is point number one. And as the brand is growing step by step, we are also going to grow up and give better and better experience from the products. So we are going to grow step by step. We are not going to give, suddenly we are not going to go in a 45,000 or 50,000 segment.
Okay, so again, one more question about the activity, the kind of buzz Lava is creating these days. So we haven't seen so many devices in the past 6 months from Lava which are priced above 15K or which are priced above 20K. So from now, because you have launched the first device in this series, the Iris Pro 13, can we expect to see the same kind of buzz which we have seen in Zolo segment of products when it comes to their portfolio? Expanding the portfolio for Lava is going to be something which is going to be the aim of the company in this year.
So, as I've told you, these two brands and these two teams are different, and both the teams are working to ensure that whatever is required by the consumer of both the brands, these teams must give to their consumers. In Lava, the Lava team believe that this brand has a lot of potential and a lot of elasticity, and people are wanting products to come in Lava and give a great product to the consumer. So in Lava Iris Pro series, you will see products coming at the high levels also.
High levels also. Okay. So last thing, like when it comes to the inbox accessories for this device, we have seen good number of accessories coming within the box of the 504Q. With this device, what kind of accessories a consumer can actually expect within the box which will come with this one?
Yeah. So currently the accessories, I don't think we have the flip covers, but very soon we'll be coming up with the flip covers.
So the flip cover will be an additional purchase which a consumer can actually buy later on. Right now it is not going to be within the package. So any other thing apart from the flip cover, if there is something within the box?
Other than that, there are standard accessories, whatever are required.
Okay. Thanks for your time, sir.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.